It's 9:15 Monday morning. There are little birds splitting around. You can probably hear them. Oh, I just saw a robin. And there's a little bird over there in Miss Jean's gutter. I don't know what the temperature is, probably in the 30s. But we have lots and lots and lots and lots of snow. I'll have to go get the ruler and measure, but it's still coming down. I've got a little path for the mailman when he comes, but I also did it for myself so that I could get out and take some pictures. They didn't lie when they say wet and heavy. As you can see right there, that's one little section that I just shoveled, so it's going to take a good while to get this done. I love this tree when it snows. It is so pretty. All it needs right now is a big red bow. I'm going to take some pictures and make one of them a desktop background. They've had a lot of accidents, so they're going to be busy in the ER today, boy. The only place we're going to is the bank. The roads look kind of slushy right now. The plows have been through a couple times, and we're on a snow route, so it's not that bad, but I just hope people are slowing down on these interstates. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the cars on the interstate now, so I hope they don't have any fatal accidents today.